Greetings to all. This video illustrates the new math result feature starting from Bean device firmware 3.6 and all Beanscape Wilow versions, going from basic, light, manager, premium and array. First of all, we start by launching the server, and then we choose the low duty cycle mode because math mode is only available currently in low duty cycle mode. First of all, we need to set up our parameters, the data acquisition cycle, which is the time needed to acquire one data, the TX ratio, which is the number of data to be acquired, and the math notification ratio, which is the number of cycles acquired to start calculations. As we press on start, we see that the math notification cycle is equal to 8, which is data acquisition cycle multiplied by TX ratio multiplied by math notification ratio minus data acquisition cycle, which equals 8. Now as we change the value of TX ratio and press start, we see that there is an error, which is because the math notification cycle is equal to 0. That's why math notification cycle must be at least 1. Now we will check our channels. We will check channel X and we will see that the math mode display is in here. As you can see, the start date and the end date, which determines the interval, the period that we are working on, the minimum value and its date, the maximum value and its date, and the average value. The same for the channel Y and the channel Z. Besides the TX file, Beanscape generates another file named math result low duty cycle, which contains all the data calculated by math mode, including the start date and the end date of the cycle, as well as all the data related to each channel Z, Y and X. Each line contains all the data related to specific channel, starting from the minimum value, the date according to the minimum value, maximum value, the date according to the maximum value, and the average as well, starting from channel Z, channel Y and channel X. Math mode is a great feature, it saves lots of time, it helps you with your work, your research or your monitoring, so thanks to the tech team for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that I was much of a help.